So may nag-comment dito sa ating TikTok page. Kuya, at dahil graduate ka na, mag-suggest ka po ng budget line laptops para sa pasukan. Alam kong sobrang dami students ang kumokontak sa akin na magbigay ako ng mga laptop suggestions around the range of 25,000 up to 50,000 pesos. At dahil dyan, nag-reach out ako sa ASUS para padala na ako ng kanilang Vivobooks series. Not just one, not two, but 3 laptops na pwedeng-pwede para sa inyong mga estudyante. Kaya ano pang hinihintay natin? Here are 5 reasons kung bakit Vivobook ang para sa inyo. O nga, before anything else, thank you ASUS for sending these out.
The first idea that I have to give you is portability and design. When you bring this to your campus, Vivobooks' lightweight design ensures no added burden. Its slim profile isn't just for looks, it's crafted for easy storage in any backpack or bag. The Vivobook boasts a metallic finish that's both durable and stylish, setting it apart from the crowd. No more choosing between aesthetics and practicality. The Vivobook offers both in spades. Number 2 would be solid performance. From intensive applications to multitasking assignments, Vivobook handles it all without breaking a sweat. Powered by the latest processors, it ensures lag-free operations even during peak usage. Be it graphics-intensive tasks or running multiple tabs, accept nothing but smooth performance. Every click, every application, and every task feels snappier, giving you the efficiency you need. Trust in these laptops to deliver consistent and reliable performance day in and day out. Number 3, long battery life. Bid goodbye to constantly hunting for power outlets throughout the day. With Vivobook's long-lasting battery, you're equipped from the morning lecture to late-night study sessions. Its power-efficient design ensures that productivity isn't compromised. Even with heavy usage, the Vivobook stands by you, making battery anxiety a thing of the past. Power through your day with confidence knowing Vivobook's battery has got your back. The next one is exclusive ASUS features. Witness unparalleled clarity and color with the Vivobook's stunning OLED display, making visuals pop off the screen. The 180-degree hinge is not just a feature, it's a game changer for group tasks and collaborations. ErgoSense ensures that every keystroke is comfortable, making those long typing sessions less taxing. Diverse ports ensures you're always connected, whether it's presentation, audio, or charging. Innovation meets functionality with ASUS unique features, tailoring your laptop experience to new heights of convenience and usability. And lastly, but definitely not the least, it's sulit or worth the money. Every Vivobook comes with a pre-installed with a lifetime license of MS Office apps, giving you essential tools right from the start. The Cool for School promo ensures that the student not only gets a top-tier laptop, but also additional benefits that enhance their academic journey. Investing in the Vivobook means investing in reliability, performance, and unmatched value. When we say sulit, we mean quality without compromise, making every peso count. Choose Vivobook for a holistic experience that offers more than just a laptop but a complete package of value and performance.
So yun na nga po guys, no? Ito na po ang ating mga laptops. As you can see, fully unboxed at sobrang gaganda ng mga quality. Kaya stay tuned sa series natin where I tell you which laptop is suitable for which student.